So for those following the MG Venture, it had a new starter motor, battery wouldn't charge, putting the battery back on, jumping it from my van. Gonna hopefully it will start up and then let the alternator charge the battery for a while and then take it off and charge it up. Here we go. Gonna walk around to the back, see if it starts up. Go and try it. Will it start? I wonder. Oh well, the alarm works. Here we go. Will it start? It did start before, but it was very slow on the start. It was very lazy. So it's had a new start motor. It's first time trying. Will it work? Oh, not too bad, I suppose. There we go. Starter motor works alright then. There we go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing to the channel. Take a look around at the other uploads. Be very much appreciated. Thank you.